As a shipyard, are you worried about finding a reliable and compatible steering system supplier? SeaTurtle Hydraulic Steering System. Designed specifically for manufacturers to be fully interchangeable with the original system. This means that you do not need to redesign the whole structure or worry about installation and adaptation issues. Why? You can directly replace it, greatly shortening the construction cycle and improving overall production efficiency. To the shipyard, a plug-and-play hydraulic steering system. #shipyard, #shipbuilding, #supply chain, #production efficiency, #hydraulic steering.